Good morning, grade 1. I hope you enjoyed last week's lesson when we did a beautiful apple, a healthy apple. Today, we're not going to draw such a healthy food. We're going to do cupcakes, but it is a lovely thing to eat, especially when there's a party. So it's quite a fun lesson, and I'm going to show you. We're going to need a little piece of white paper. You can just use some computer paper from your dad and mom's printer, and you'll need a pencil. And then I'm going to use Cokies. I know we used those last week, so if you would rather use pencil crayons, that's also fine. If you just want to try and use something different, but you just use whatever you have at home. And if you even wanted to use watercolor paint, you could too. Okay, boys, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to hold the camera up over the page so that you can see how I draw. And I'm going to first draw the little sort of paper container that our little cupcake is going to be in. So I'm going to do the two sides just sloping in like that, coming in towards each other, and just a slightly curved bottom and a slightly curved top, and that is the sort of case for our cupcake. And then we can just go bounce, 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 and then you can just drag some of those lines in to make it look like lovely icing. If you want, you can put a cherry or something on the top. You can even have fun later putting lovely sort of sprinkles or chocolate toppings or colorful things onto your cupcake. And then, boys, you can make the ridges of the little paper container, the little paper holder, just let them slope down and let them be straight in the middle and then slightly tilted towards that side, so that it goes slightly tilted, straight, slightly tilted that way. And that is our cupcake. So I'm going to put the camera down, and now we're going to outline it in black, but you don't need to do that. If you just want to go straight into color, you can do that too. But I'm going to just outline it in black, and that's lots of fun. And then I'm going to start with my colors, and you can use any colors you like. Just depends on what color icing you want it to be. Okay, so there's our beautiful cupcake, and I'm going to maybe use my orange and my yellow for the little holder part. And maybe I'll just do every second one yellow and every other second one orange. And as I said, you can use pencil crayons. If you're going to use pencil crayons, just press nice and firmly so that the color is strong and bright. Unless you want a very, very pale container, which is also fine. What color should I make my icing? Maybe I will have red icing. That's a very, very bright, a very colorful cupcake. My goodness me. So I'm going to color my cupcake in with this lovely red color. You can use more than one color if you want to. Maybe I can have each layer a different color. And so I'm going to have red icing there, and then I'm going to have pink icing, and then maybe I'll go back to red icing again. There we go. So this is just going to be such a yummy cupcake. And now I've used red, so what color should I make my little cherry topping? Maybe I'll make it orange. And then I might make all my little decorations yellow. And there we go. A nice, easy, fun lesson, boys. Have fun with your cupcake, and I will see you next week.